Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to run reports in Salesforce Lightning. So let's proceed and first learn what is report in Salesforce. Report in Salesforce are essential tools for analyzing and presenting data stored within the Salesforce platform. They allows the user to collect, filter, display, and summarize the information to help in decision making and performance tracking. So now let's move ahead and learn to run report in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly open my Salesforce account and this is by default open in the Lightning edition. So here we learn how to run the report. So for this, you firstly go to the setup page. So click on the gear icon and click on the setup option and our setup home page is open. Now click on the app launcher and from here you have to select the app in which you want to run the report or you can directly search the report item from here by simply entering the reports in the search box. You can choose any of the way you want. So here I go with this way. So I select here an app with the name service and our service app page is open. So here you can see on the name bar there's a tab list present. In this tab list I have an item name with a report. So I click on this reports option. The report page is open and then on the right side we can see there is a new report button present. So click on this new report button. Now we can see that our create report dialog box is open and here we can see there is a category list on the left side and you have to select the category from here. So I select the account and contact, click on this account and contact option and on the right side you can see there are loads of reports type present. So select any of the report type from here and I select the contact and accounts report type. Click on this and on the right side you can see there is a start report button present. Click on this start report button. Now it will redirect us to the new contact and account report page. It shows us no record return in preview. So to edit it, we first to click on the all accounts. So click on it and then click on the refresh button. Then it asks us to select the report of created date filter all time. So we click on this all time link and then again click on the refresh button. Now we can see it will show us the account and contact reports. So now we want to add the filter for this. So I click on the filter option that is present on the left side. Click on the filters. Now from here I search from the first name. So we enter the first name in the search field and here we go, our first name comes up. Click on this first name option. Now it will ask us to select the operator. So click on the drop down arrow and here I select start with option and then enter the value and here I enter the S value and then finally click on the apply button. So to see the changes, you have to click on the refresh button again. Click on the refresh button. So now it show us the first name that started with the letter S. And you can also delete the unwanted field if you want it by simply clicking on the drop down arrow and then select the remove column option. Suppose here we want to remove this mailing street. So we click on this drop down arrow and when we scroll down, here we can see there is a remove column option present. Click on this remove column option and you can see there is a update preview automatically toggle button present. So click on this toggle button by not choosing the refreshing button again and again when we choosing the toggle button and then again click on the drop down arrow of the mailing street and click on the remove column button, you can see they do not show refreshing again and again. They automatically refresh this page and our mailing street column is removed successfully. So now I want to run this report. So here we can see on the top right corner, there is a run button present. So click on this run button. Now you can see that it runs the report, and here it will show you total 3 reports. So if you want to save this report, you can also save it. So for this, simply click on the drop down arrow that is present next to the edit button. And so here we can have two options, save and export. If you want to save this report, then you click on the save button. And if you want to export this report, so click on the export button. So with this, we have learned how to run the report in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.